来关心国际消息，英国宣布要提供乌克兰一款射长距离的飞弹。英国国防大臣强调讲，这会当帮助乌克兰甲罗西亚拍走。另外，北约指出，罗西亚目前已经用85%的军力啊，因较武都要进步啊，所以北约是鼓励成员国尽量帮助乌克兰。
英国政府10月宣布，军援乌克兰暴风之影长程巡弋飞弹，这是一种空对地的长程巡弋飞弹，射程超过250公里，会让攻击高价值的目标，譬如加强防御的掩体、加关键的基础设施。这是第一遍有国家提供支付长程武器。英国国防大臣华勒斯强调，俄罗斯杀害平民，英国袂点点摩擦。
Ukraine has a right to be able to defend itself against this. The use of Storm Shadow will allow Ukraine to push back Russian forces based within Ukrainian sovereign territory. Russia must recognise that their actions alone have led to such systems being provided to Ukraine. It is my judgment as a Defence Secretary that this is a calibrated and proportionate response to Russia's escalations.
莫斯科是谴责这项军援，经过会对这件代志做充分的回应。北约军事委员会主席鲍尔在参加论坛时阵讲，即马俄国的军力正受限制，有85%用伫咧俄乌战争，和北约盟国受攻击的风险变小，所以让尽量军援乌克兰。在回应中国议题时阵，鲍尔强调中国唔是敌人。
NATO sees China not as a threat, but as a challenge. And the difference is when we talk about these military plans is that NATO is not working on military plans against China. We are working on military plans against Russia and the terrorist groups.
俄罗斯乌克兰双方正伫咧乌东的巴赫姆特激烈的战斗。乌军讲，因为因伫咧巴赫姆特猛烈的攻击，互俄罗斯正大的压力。俄军伫咧过去一天就发动要甲50遍的空袭。乌克兰总统泽伦斯基讲，虽然人员拢已经到位，不过反攻的行动也该等一下，因为乌军也阁伫咧等待西方盟友提供更加侪武器。公司新闻张伟玲、吴义昌编辑。
来看以